Alright guys, welcome back to the kitchen. Today I have a 10-minute stir fry for you. That's right, here are the list of ingredients. This is something that you can literally look in your freezer. Anything you have, you can make a simple 10-minute stir fry. And this is just what I had readily available. So guys, pause it if you need to, but take a look in your freezer and see what you got, because you know what, this is a simple, delicious recipe. Let's go guys. All right, as you can see right here, this is just what I had in the freezer, some bell peppers and some steak. So we're gonna go ahead and use this for our main part. First things first, go ahead, get you a pot, fill it halfway with water, and then you're gonna go ahead and add in some salt to this. And now comes the best part, get your veggies. And I think you already know what we're gonna do. We're gonna go ahead and just chop these up here. As you can see here, it doesn't have to be a perfect chop. You just want them roughly smaller diced, so that way there it's incorporated in the dish when you go ahead and add it to your pan. How you doing guys? Looks like you're getting them chopped up pretty good. As you can see right here, this is perfect. Let's go. Next step, get you an onion, chop it in half, and then we're gonna slice it down the long ways, because why? I don't know. It's just the way I'm doing it, because we're gonna do a rough chop on these onions. Maddie keeps fixing my board. Thank you for that. But here we go. Yeah, buddy, chopping these onions up. All right, do the exact same thing with some white baby bella mushrooms. Chop them up, get them taken care of, because these are gonna add some extra flavor to this stir fry. Now, if you have a wok like this, you're already a step ahead. If not, that's okay. You can get by with just a regular frying pan, guys. Don't freak out. You do not need a wok. Get you some oil and then add in some garlic once that oil gets up to temperature. Follow it in with your chopped onions, and we are just gonna go ahead and start to stir this around, making sure it does not burn. That's right. It seems like a lot of oil, but it's okay, because we're going to add in a lot of stuff here, and we're just going to let this fry. That's right. It's a stir fry, so you want to have a little bit of oil in there to allow that frying. Not a deep fry, but a shallow fry. It's pretty much a pan fry. You're just going to let these pan fry in the wok. Let it go. As you can see right here, go ahead and stir it occasionally so it doesn't stick. Now we're going to come in and add in our leftover beef tips. Normally I would slice these a little thinner, but I'm just going to leave them in big chunks for this dish. Like I said, it's a 10-minute dish just to get you going on a busy school night, busy work night, or a 10-minute snack. This is amazing. All right, guys, now we're going to come in and add in that salt. Follow it up with some white pepper. Follow it up with some garlic powder. Then you're going to add in your onion powder. Follow it up with some ginger. That's right, ground ginger is going to add just that extra level of to the dish. Trust me, guys, it's pretty good. It's pretty good. I am by no means a Michelin chef, but I tell you what, these ingredients get incorporated just amazingly, and you are going to enjoy this dish. Trust me. And you don't have to use these. You can substitute other spices however you see fit. Remember, this is your stir fry. Now, this is one thing I had the luxury of having in my cabinet. Water chestnuts. Add them in. Follow it up with some green beans. And then we are also going to add in our mushrooms at this time. That's right. We don't want to add in our mushrooms too early, because then they become just really mushy. And it kind of ruins that dish. You want these to be firm, but cooked, if that makes sense. I don't know how to explain it. That's what we're going to do. Now we're going to come in and add our 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. That's right. Just smash it up. Get it stirred in there. Incorporate it. As you can see, I'm going to speed it up here for you guys. Just stir it all in there. You want it coated. Now we're going to come in and add in our white granulated sugar. This is just going to give it a sweeter flavor when we go ahead and add in our soy sauce and or teriyaki sauce, whatever you guys would like. I'm going to use soy sauce. Yep, there you go. See that? Using some soy sauce, we're going to add that in and just mix it in. That's going to kind of make like a slurry or a syrup, if you will. Mix it in, as you can see here, just keep cooking it down, let it render. It looks like quite a bit of liquid, but it's okay, because it's going to render down as you let this cook. After a little while, get you a spoon and taste test this syrup. You want it to be on point. Add extra ginger if you need to, if you're looking for that. Let this thicken up for roughly 5 to 7 minutes. Throw it on a plate with some veggies and some sesames, and look at that stir fry. That's right, ready to, hey, that's my plate. One day I'll get it. But guys, thank you so much for watching Cooking Time with Johnny, the home of simple, fun, delicious recipes with that country twist. And guys, trust me, you guys can cook. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the kitchen next time.